Are you ready for UAD 3.6? If you're not, if you feel like you need a little bit more understanding of what UAD 3.6 means, good news. I will be in Philadelphia, November the 5th, teaching the GSE course, the Appraiser's Guide to UAD 3.6, the URAR course. This is everything that Fannie and Freddie want you to know about UAD 3.6. And then on day 2, November the 6th, Joel Baker from Total a la Mode is going to be teaching ScanToSketch, which is not just how to sketch a house. It is the entire mobile workflow for appraisers that are not currently 100% on the mobile workflow. Now, I will tell you this. I've sat in on Joel's class 10 times now, and every time I take the class, I come up with a new trick that I didn't know before. So join us in Philadelphia, November 5th for UAD 3.6 training from the GSEs, and November 6th for ScanToSketch, mobile appraising practical applications on the 6th. We are very much excited about this. It is a live in-classroom event. Join us in Philadelphia. We'd love to see you there.